We've talked about fractions the past several days, and we've talked about how fractions are breaking apart an object or set into equal parts. And we've talked about how a set can be a specific object or it can be a group of objects or people or items. So I've created a set here of 6 circles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as we've talked about our numerator and our denominator, we've talked about how the denominator is how many parts are in the whole. Well, therefore, there are 6 parts in this whole, so our denominator would be 6. And now I'm going to color in 2 of them. So now 2 of the 6 objects are colored in. Therefore, that's going to give us a fraction of 2/6 are filled in. Now, if I come over here and I show this to you in a different way, I've got the same 6 objects, 3 of which are filled in, but I'm going to break this apart into a different group now. I'm going to break it apart into a set. So I'm going to create 2 groups from this set. But the thing is, as we've talked about, it's equal parts. We still have equal parts here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now what I've done is taken that 6 and I've broken it apart into 2 equal groups, because I have 3 here and 3 here. And one of those entire groups is filled in. And therefore, the fraction that's filled in here is 1 out of 2, or 1/2, because one of the groups is filled in out of the 2 equal groups. So now I want to show it to you in a different way. So I've got the same 6 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which looks the same as it does up here. 2 of those 6 are filled in. However, I'm going to take this set and I'm going to break it apart into 3 groups. Well, I know that 6 divided into 3 equal groups gives me 2 in each group. So now I've got 3 groups, 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups that are equal. And of these 3 groups, 1 is filled in. So 1/3 of the groups are filled in. So therefore, as we look at this, we've got the same 6 objects, but I've broken them apart in 3 different ways. So we have 2/6 of the objects filled in here. We have 1/2 of the groups filled in here. And we have 1/3 of the groups filled in here. Now you're going to go and you're going to work on a fraction avenue activity that I think will really help you practice this. And you know where this video is posted in case you need to re-watch it or if you have questions. And if you do have questions, please feel free to ask your partner, or please feel free to leave them and we can talk about them when I return. I hope this helps. You know where it's posted if you need it again.